Introducing Rigid LevelMax Anti-Lippage and Spacing System. LevelMax easily corrects tile lippage with 3 easy steps. Tile lippage is a variation in the height of adjoining tiles, which is a greater issue with the growing popularity of large format tile, where tile warping is more common. LevelMax corrects this with a completely toolless system for intersection joints, offset joints, and straight joints on the floor or wall. First, select the LevelMax parts for the type of tile you are laying. Part A, the top, will be used in all scenarios and is reusable. You'll also want Part B, the flat stem, for tiling next to walls and any other straight joints. Then choose Part C for intersections, or Part D for offset tile. The stems are not reusable. Step 1. Place the stem, Part C or D, depending on your format, under each corner of the tile you are laying. Step 2. After you've laid down all the joining tile, spin the top, Part A, all the way down until all the tiles are flush to each other. When you get to a wall, repeat the process with Part B, ideally 2 inches from the wall, to hold and level single joint lines. Allow 24 hours for the thin set to set before Step 3, and simply kick off the stem, saving the top, Part A, for future jobs. Because Rigid LevelMax can grab 3 to 4 tiles at once, you'll save time and money over competing systems by using less. And LevelMax can double as a 1/16 inch spacer, which again can save you more time and more money. But if you want thicker grout lines, you can still use traditional spacers. For anti-lippage that is truly as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start with the top, Part A, the flat stem, Part B, and either Part C for intersection or Part D for offsets. Available at the Home Depot or online at homedepot.com. Rigid.
Kia is proud to announce the arrival of the iX Robotic Total Station. With the same high accuracy you expect from a Kia Total Station, the new iX is faster, lighter, and 30% smaller. The iX's advanced ultrasonic motors enable a 150-degree turn in a single second, making turning to a point faster than ever. Your productivity and flexibility has never been greater. The iX has the ability to adapt to constantly changing environments, tasks, and job requirements. And hybrid positioning is easily accomplished by simply combining the iX with your GPS receiver. This fully integrated solution is ready for onboard and field controller software that fits your needs. Fast, lightweight, compact. Kia's iX. Productivity made easy.
Here at GripRight, we know you've built your business right. That's why our only goal is to offer the right tools for the right application at the right price. Simply put, we help you keep your business running right. You already know the importance of using the right type of bit for the right kind of material, and you're probably familiar with diamond core bits. The alternate tooth beveled edges on GripRight's Combo Pro core bits allow for faster drilling speeds and better bit tracking, while the specialty cut turbo segments make sure your bits produce less drag, which increases drilling speed. The laser welded segments add to the core bit's durability and longevity even under extreme drilling conditions. Each GripRight Combo Pro Diamond Core bit is made to power through 80 to 100 holes through solid concrete. GripRight has even reinforced the teeth of the bits to increase their strength and drilling speed, allowing them to tackle rebar with ease. The alternate tooth beveled edge segments allow the Combo Pro core bits to cut through material 30% faster than any other competitive diamond bit. From concrete to brick to rebar, and for wet or dry use, there is a GripRight diamond bit that is made especially for that project. The dry bits even have vents built into the side so that they don't overheat. This small addition makes a huge difference in the lifespan and cutting speed of your dry bit. So keep on building your projects and your business right, and grab your diamond bits from GripRight for faster drilling time and longer life. It's the right tool for the right job at the right price. Built right, GripRight.
Monster Pry Bars, the toughest bars for the toughest jobs. Introducing 8 new styles of industrial strength pry bars, featuring Marshalltown's Fulcrum Monsters, Handle Monster, Landscape Monster, Two-Headed Monsters, and Big Bad Monsters. These bars feature variations to the original Monster Pry Bars. Marshalltown Monster Pry Bars have the right angle and lift for any tough job. The angle, the fulcrum, and the handle of the bar determine the angle at which lifting starts and stops. It also determines how high the bar will lift the object and how far you have to bend over to lift it. The original Monster, introduced over a decade ago, continues to perform reliably on the toughest jobs. The open angle Monster has a slightly different bend in the blade from the original Monster, changing the angle of use. The flat fulcrum increases the area of contact, decreasing the amount it will sink into soft ground. The round fulcrum increases the lifting height, allowing you to get underneath the embedded object. The handled Monster saves your back by reducing bending and your knuckles if the bar slips. The Two-Headed Monsters feature a lighter construction and 90-degree head. These bars are perfect for any job, from drywall demolition to underlayment removal. The little Two-Headed Monster gets the job done in a flash, while the Two-Headed Monster provides additional leverage for the toughest jobs. The original Little Monster is similar to the Two-Headed Monster, but features a wider, stronger blade. It's ideal for prying forms and other embedded objects. The Landscape Monster features a double handle to easily drive its sharp beveled blade into unwanted tree roots and post holes. It can also be wedged into the ground under embedded objects. The Big Bad Monsters feature a stronger and 1/8 inch thicker blade than the competition. The Big Bad Monster has a 5/8 inch thick, 3 inch wide blade, while the Big Bad Precast Monster has a wider 5 inch blade, perfect for precast and tilt-up. Monster Pry Bars, the toughest bars for the toughest jobs. See the whole line of Marshalltown Monster Pry Bars at your local dealer today. Marshalltown.
We were given the opportunity by Hilti to demo your new T2000. The results were phenomenal.
So when we launched the T3000 in 2011, it became the standard for electric breakers, and it still is. But for some applications, it's just too big of a tool. And that's really where we needed something that still gave you reliable demolition performance, but wasn't as big, wasn't as bulky, was a little bit more maneuverable and easy to transport around a job site.
My supervisor called and said, hey, I got this prototype Hilti, and I want you guys to run it through the ringers.
The big point for them is it was as powerful as the pneumatic tools they were using, but it had half the weight. Everybody wanted to use the Hilti because it was so easy to use.
They'll be jackhammering and get through the floor and then have to lift it back out. That Hilti.
These new chisels, the SPX chisels, we've added more material to the bulk of the chisel. It allows the chisels to last longer because there's more material. They're less prone to shearing and breaking, and it improves the performance of not only the T2000, but the T1000 and the T800 as well.
He's got the sleeves that actually will go up over the bit itself. You can hook up your attachments to it if you need to watch for the silica dust control.
The most common damage as far as breakers is going to be your power cord. You're breaking that ground, that's all you're focused on, and all of a sudden you're hitting a cord.
If that cord breaks, you just snap it out on the site, you snap in a new cord, and you get back to work.
It's easy. I mean, you don't have to get a compressor out here and like all the hoses drug out. You just one cord, one extension cord. It just seems like you get the job done better and more safe and more efficient.
The fatigue, arms in your back and your shoulders from operating an air hammer makes workers take longer breaks.
30 minutes, you'll be tired. It's not just holding it down, you have to pull it off every time.
It would wear you out, and at the end of the day, you just want to sit down and be still somewhere. That Hilti hits just as hard, but it's half the weight. So you're not getting all the joint stress, vibration fatigue that you would get with the pneumatic hammers. The thing's worked perfectly, nothing's gone wrong. It outworked 2 of our pneumatic jackhammers.